how to edit and crop photos to square size on your Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, select a photo. Then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Now from here, what you want to do is tap on the transform button at the bottom. Then tap on the ratio button here. And then from here, you want to select 1 to 1, so 1 by 1. And this will allow you to select a ratio of a square picture. And after that, tap on the save button. Now you can adjust the pictures by moving it up and down. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is now a square picture. And that is how you can crop and edit a picture to make it a square picture. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.